Probably in love, yeah. Doing the trash, yeah. Cartier's on my brothers. Eliante my troops. Right.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another video. What's up, YouTube, and what's up, Fade fam? Now today we got my guy Kyrie in the chair, and we're gonna do a high taper on him. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe down below. Now to start this fade off, we're gonna start by brushing the hair down and setting in that bald guideline so we can start our fade and bald out underneath. And to start our fading steps, we're gonna go lever open and then up to our one guard and pretty much take that one guard all the way up to his parting region. And we're gonna simply blend our way back down, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, tell me how y'all been in the comments. I know it's been a minute since I done completely just put out, videos for y'all. So tell me how y'all doing in the comments down below. And tell me how you think this fade is going so far. I know we done did only a little bit, but just tell me how you think it's going so far. And if you ain't liked the video, go ahead and like the video. And now we're going in with our half guard closed, middle to open. As you go up in the fade, just open up that lever tick by tick. Now, if you have a click lever system, then just go either, I want to say, if you have like 6 clicks on your clipper, then go every 2 clicks. But if you have like a floating lever, then just move it accordingly, to closed, middle, and then fully open. Now just take the half guard off and pretty much do the same thing and detail your work afterwards. Now here we're just simply detailing. Make sure to also use your corners while doing this, because you want to be extremely careful of where you place that blade and where you are cutting. Now for the back taper, it's the same exact steps. So I'm gonna speed this one up and I'll see you guys when I get to the hairline. Well, line up, I should say. Now, before doing the nape, we had cut it down with a 1 guard. But when I start lining up around the nape lineup, I start particularly at the bottom, and then I work myself around to the roundabout, so to keep that curved motion around his ear. Now, to start off the lineup prep, I just simply apply alcohol. That's to dry it. And we brush it down, to stretch the hairs back out, or just simply lay them down. Now we're going in with the Got To Be Holding spray to make sure that hair is laying down. And this should pretty much stiffen the hair. We're using a 1 guard to take down his front taper. Now, towards his corners, I pretty much grazed lighter because they are weaker in that area. So therefore, we will be using enhancements to fill in those spots. Now, don't be coming in my comments talking about, oh, you're using the enhancements. Leave it alone, nigga. Just leave it alone. But anywho, yeah, comb it back to see where the natural point starts on the hairline. And then just line it up like so, starting from the middle and then working your way to each side. Fam, now make sure when you do the lineup, take a step back, make sure it's equal and straight, and then commence, lining up. And now we're going in with our enhancements. You can place the card against the head as you know how you lined up the person or, yourself. But, make sure you go at an angle to make sure, it's not going to pretty much like thicken up or cake up. And these are the hair fibers. The color I have is dark brown. You can find these on Triiipleooo for like about $4 or $5. But yeah, add this to the haircut to give it a more natural look. So, and then also when you line it up, it'll make it pop. The lineup will pop even more. Now, ladies and gentlemen, now here we're just applying that second vertical bar of chalk. We used the brown one on him. And then we just apply holding spray. Now, we're going to line this up one more again, and then, give it that final touch with the razor, y'all. If you're liking how this lineup is turning out, just look at it. That's crispy, y'all. Y'all got it. Just give a like, just put a like on the video just for the lineup. That's all I ask. That's all I ask. Fam, now we on that razor work. Now, when doing this, just simply stretch the skin with your right hand if you're left-handed, and it would be a left-handed if you're right-handed. But stretch the skin and glide that razor towards the hairline, to give it that final touch, and and it pretty much be voila on the end of that one. Now, fam, this is the before. like this haircut, like the video down below, subscribe while you're at it, and click that bell notification for future uploads. Peace out, Faith fam.
Fall in love, yeah. Doing the trash, yeah. Cut his on my brothers. Eliante my troops. Right, right.